welcome to May 7th. We're up on the ride. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, but hotly sunny. Chance of thunderstorms coming in. We don't know when. Usually that's at night. Around 5-ish, so we should be home by then. We're headed out to Polk, PA. We've never been there. Check out a few things and see what's around. So, keep watching and come along with us. Well, yesterday we crossed over there. We came over, that's Arlene Trail. And we crossed the road over here. Today we're going to go straight across. We're staying on Route 66. So here's where Arlene Trail. Here's the John Deere place. Oh yeah, I'll take one of these. I'll take a couple of, well, just one. Unless Rita wants one, we can have races.
Yeah. You push, I'll pull.
Okay, it's alright, it's okay.
One per 50.
Stay tuned for more. Don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Leave us a comment, like us, ring the bell. We enjoy it. This is cool. I didn't think we were on this road, but this looks familiar.
Yes, it does.
This is still 322. And the Allegheny is to our left.
Wow.
We're going to be...
We're going towards Tyanese.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Liberty Street, then take the first left.
There's the Allegheny. That way.
Didn't you say the Allegheny was like 300 miles long?
Yeah.
Wow.
Something like that. That must be the big town of Polk.
It's like a hospital.
There's one of them iron furnaces in the woods somewhere around here. But I think you gotta walk like 3 miles in the woods to get to it. So, and the great shape we're in, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at Polk.
We'll shape ourselves up for next year. Yeah.
We'll have to get fit. Not.
Go on those lean, mean diets.
I'm in shape.
Shape to sit on the couch.
Shape. Rounds of shape. I'm.
Oh, God. Yeah, Polk Center.
Now we're winging it.
Yeah.
We're just driving. We're on Main Street, by the way. And we're just exploring PA. We don't know where this takes us, so all new to you.
All new to you. If it's new to you, it's new to us.
Oh, at the junction of 965.
Yeah. Okay.
And oh, I guess we're on Route 62. Thanks for exploring with us. Well, we're just coming out of the town of Sandy Lake, and we're on Route 173. Oh, Butler's only 40 miles. Okay. Rainbow, go to Butler. Somewhere in between. A Grove City, or what is that? Well, we're gonna work our way home and see if we can do this without the GPS.
Yeah.
That's why we're winging it. So stay tuned and help us get lost together. Look at that view. And the aroma. Oh, we got aromatherapy along with us. All right. Nice. We're on Grove City Road, coming into Slippery Rock, PA. The intersection 108, yeah, I don't know. So, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Welcome to Slippery Rock. We tried something new. We've never done it before. We ate at Sheets.
Sheets. There's Bob Subs.
Yep. Which was pretty good.
It was pretty good. Minus the tons of cheese on top. Like Cheeto cheese. Woo.
It was, like I said, pretty good for Sheets. The only thing we used to get at Sheets before was
Fatties.
fat and ice, Dunkin' Donuts coffee, iced coffee.
And that costs just as low as this meal almost did.
So we're heading on our way home. We cheated a little bit while we're sitting down eating. I peeked at Google Maps, and we were heading in the right direction.
Yeah.
Surprisingly. Okay. Okay, but it's a good okay.
Okay.
Catch you on our next one. This is the view. Woo. Well, as always, I turned it on a little bit too late. Welcome to beautiful downtown Butler. We've never been here before.
Not that we know of. Nothing's sparking a thought in my brain.
Yep. And we know I don't have a brain. Okay. Kind of a crazy route, but now we're gonna get on 68 East. What? That's East Brady. And going over the Allegheny River. It's very low compared to what it used to be about a month ago. It was cresting.
Yeah.
bug got me. Right in the forehead. Oh! Well, this is a nice view. But the clouds don't look very nice.
No. We're gonna beat it.
Probably about 5 to 7 miles out of town, so we might make it before the rain. There'll probably be one more clip, and you know what that clip's going to be.
No.
So, thank you for coming along with us. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, leave us a comment. If you got any cool places we
Want to see?
yeah, let us know
Yeah.
what we want to see. Because today was just a ride. We picked a town and we went, yeah. Well, there's one of them iron furnaces in that town. I believe I said it earlier. You have to walk like 3 miles in the woods to get to it.
Yeah, we're not down for walking.
So, again, thanks for coming along and thanks for subscribing. And if you're new, let us know. If you're new, let us know. What the hell am I saying? If you're new, yeah, let us know and we'll welcome you to our webpage.
It says 12.
Oh, we got another nice one. Ahoo-aha.
Huh? Ooh-ha-ha.
Okay. Yeah, coming into town. We should be close to Orlean Trail. And of course I get road work. Home sweet home. Oh, we always had that in unison.
I read your mind, huh?
Yeah. Wow. I'm surprised I don't have a mind.
Oh, it's there somewhere.
Oh, here's that beautiful house. Well, thanks for coming along with us. We had a beautiful ride.
We beat the rain.
We beat the rain on an empty tank of gas. We hit reserve about 15 miles ago, so we should be good for another 50 miles.
No.
Okay, thanks for coming along. Don't forget, leave us a comment. Share this video with your friends, and thanks a lot. Have a great day.